What is up, YouTube? Slow blown EK here again. I just realized I haven't showed you guys the car. Haven't even turned it on. Haven't taken you for a quick ride in it. Mind you, it's under construction. I was just rebuilding the motor, but decided to do the whole body all over again. Long story. We'll get into that some other time. But right now, I'm picking up the pieces with the body work and getting it painted. And trying to get the motor built and the supercharger rebuilt, I guess. I have to get some new bearings and stuff for it. Again, story for another time. But right now, let's just check out the car. Let's take it for a quick little drive. I don't have plates. I haven't started it in forever. But we do got our Honda key. Hey! Well, that's our key ring or key chain, but this is the key. Anywho, let's get into it. And I'm going to show you what time it is. Man, so much to go over. Don't mind the body work. She was so beautiful. This I'm trying to save. I actually spent $400 on trying to get this saved. They re-cleared it for me. It didn't even last a year, and usually she's in here. She's out here right now because of, long story, we'll get into that later as well. I redid the hood myself, cleared it, sanded it down, cleared it, all that stuff. I haven't wet sand buffed it, that's coming up, but the hood looks amazing. I have to, the front lip is fine, the side skirts are perfectly fine because I haven't put them on forever, but it's all carbon fiber. These are spoon carbon fiber, but you can't tell. But hopefully I can sand this down and resave it. Whatever I can't save, I'm just gonna relay it. Like I'll sand it down and lay a whole new piece of carbon fiber. Everything is VIS carbon fiber, by the way. Nothing is YouTube. Nothing is eBay stuff that's overspraying and stuff like that all over the car. I don't know why, but this is what I'm doing. I'm eliminating the side moldings. All right, so there's not gonna be any more side moldings. This is nice and smooth. Gotta sand a little bit more right here because you can feel where the filler bumps. But this is almost squared away nice. A couple more layers here, maybe some putty next, but I have fiberglass in there, body filler, and then the last coat will be putty. Let me show you the hood real quick. We are rocking a B18B. This is my last build. It's been in here for like 5 or 6 years. So again, everything is VIS. I used to say it right there, but it's gone. This hood is old as all hell. I have green monster suspension all the way around, my strut bar, whatever you want to call it. MSD external coil. B18B motor, like I said, it has bigger cams, NGK plugs, NGK wires. Stage 3 racing clutch, 7-pound flywheel, Honda, oil pressure gauge right there. So there's a few things. Full contact exhaust. I got to change my headers, but again, this motor's coming out, the new one's going in. We'll get into the build later, after. But yeah, I mean, before I close it, I want to say that I have 550 injectors in there, but I'm not sure. I know I do have a Walboro 250 fuel pump for right now, but that is going to change to a 450. All right, inside we got Momo steering wheel. I made this shifter myself, me and my homeboy Logan, who helps me work in the car. You guys will meet him later. This is a homemade shifter. This is way before K-Tune started coming out. I mean, remember, this is like 5 or 6 years ago. So it's way before K-Tune started having those cool shifters, which I am gonna buy. Everything here is carbon fiber too, by the way. All this is carbon fiber. All that's carbon fiber. I mean, carbon fiber, everything. Even the seat is done in carbon fiber leather material. GSR headrest, suede headliner, everything. Full interior because it's gonna stay full interior. But anyways, this we made it longer. So, and then inside there, the actual bearings, it's on roller blade bearings. So I mean, this thing, like butter, you know? And it's skunk 2 short shifter as well. This never sits on there, right? We'll get that fixed there. Let's see if she starts though. Let's see what happens here. I have a minute. Well, let's see what she sounds like outside though. Sound good? Not bad. Quick couple facts about the car as we get going here. We're gonna scrape bad here. No AC anymore, but she will have AC once the other motor's in. I live in Florida, so that whole no AC thing doesn't really fly with me. Okay, let's see what's going on right now. We're at a full angle here, trying to get out the driveway. Let's hear for the scrape though. Only a little scrape. Only a little scrape. Alright. But the deal with the car is, right now it's on a super low tune. I rev out at like 6 grand, 62,000 RPM, something like that. Only because this is the spare motor. And I'm not trying to blow it before I finish building my other motor. And the motor I just took out was half built. I had the head all built, like ready to go, which sucks because I had to build a new head. Anyways, so I hadn't gotten to the bottom end of the block yet. I had just had the head done. So whatever, I sent it, whatever I was driving, I needed the car. So I was driving the car like that. Long story short, I can't help myself, so I blew the freaking motor. So now we have this motor in, and I have strict limitations set on myself with the Honda so that I don't blow it again, because honestly, I just can't afford that shit again. So anyways, we'll get more into a backstory later because I only have like 5 or 10 minute videos I can post. So let's show you the car here in a minute. My speedo don't work either. My speed sensor is, I changed it, but I don't know what the hell is going on. It doesn't want to work properly. And we got full launch settings set up. My steering wheel is obviously crooked as all hell, but that don't matter right now. So I got launch control on, so I could do, full throttle launch, full throttle shifts. My check engine light is my shift indicator. Right now we in third. She got pretty good pickup, so I'd put her. See, that's because of my speed sensor, but I'm recording now, so I can't change it. But let's see. It's probably gonna stop me now. It's not even gonna let me pass 4 grand. I bet you. But we'll see. Doesn't shut off, it just stops revving. We'll do a launch real quick. Let's see if we can get out here before the car goes. Ready. Saying we got to shift that 6, but still gets it from up until 6 grand. You know what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, we got to shift that 6, but she gets it up until that 6. Don't get me wrong. So I'm thinking right now we're probably around, the way it's set, at least 200. I want to say at least 200 to the wheels. I've never had it dynoed. We've never done any of that. Let me close the windows and die of heat. But it's probably super windy, so I apologize about that. But yeah, I mean, for being that I got to shift at 6,000 RPM, she makes some noise, man. She gets up and go. So Once I put the supercharger back on, once I put the ID 1000s, I might do a twin disc clutch. I'm not sure yet. Is that the cops? No, God, no, please. We might do twin discs. I'm not sure yet, but we got a bunch of stuff. But really, I just wanted to get you guys a video so you guys can meet the car, see the car, go for a little ride in it real quick. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the car. So there'll be plenty more coming. As far as the build goes, the bodywork, the painting, and then once we're done all that, then we're done painting the car, we're done putting the new motor in, the supercharger back on, we'll take it to Mexico for some fun times. So definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that like button. It don't cost you nothing. Just touch it. Oh, check out the stickers. For those who didn't know, they had stickers. Oh, these are coming off. I love sushi. Hell yeah, brother. I want to give you guys a quick video of the car so you can meet her, see her, take her for a quick little ride, like I said, and get to know what's in there and what's going to be coming in there. So this video is already probably too long, so I'm not even going to try getting all the motor parts. I had an unveiling video of all the new parts I got, but that footage got lost. The phone got broken, the camera got broken, whatever. Anyways, we'll get a video going of all the stuff that we have, pretty much unveiling it again, but it won't be the initial surprise because I really kept it 100% opening it with you guys, but that won't be the case anymore because I already opened it because I did the video once. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked the hope you guys are excited because I can't wait to get going on this build, man. It's just been a long time in the making, and she's been done like 5 different times, but again, we'll get into the backstory on a different video, and I'll give you guys I'll give you guys the complete breakdown, the history of where we started, what we did, how far we've come, and only to start all over again, but it's part of the game, right? But this time I want to take you guys with me, so hopefully you guys come for the ride, and comment, give me some good ideas, man. If you've seen something that I don't see, or if you got some good advice that might help me run better or run cooler, you know what I'm saying, so that I can make more power, then by all means, let me know. Slap a comment in there. And again, hit that like button, subscribe, stay notified. Hit that little bell so you know when a new video comes out, so you can see Miss Slow Blown EK. And yeah, I'm trying to make it happen, man. I'm trying to make it happen. See this carbon fiber get redone so you guys can see how the whole deleting the moldings go and changing the rims, because we are not doing these rims. There's a crazy backstory to those rims as well. I'll give you guys later, but not now. Anyways, hope you like it, and we'll see you again. All right? Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff.